Da-da-da-da-da-da. That's a different one right there. I'm about to have a non-stop music journey, according to the packaging. It's a thing called Duolink, and you're looking at it right now. You see the box, and you think you know what you're in for. And you don't know what you're in for, because I don't know what I'm in for. Well, I do, actually. It is a Bluetooth speaker. Also, I'm very cool, that's one way to open a package. You are so cool. No, you are. This is a Bluetooth speaker that doubles as stereo speakers and earbuds. Fully wireless earbuds, and they just booted up, actually. That was magical. All in one. Is that 3-in-1? Party mode. This is party mode. This is duo mode. Look, check it out. On either side of a smartphone, when you're watching the multimedia content, could be Netflix, could be Unbox therapy. So now you have stereo, both ears taken care of. And then solo mode, where you remove these little earbuds and you're enjoying the music in a solo fashion. And it all happens in one place. Now, how many times have you had the earbuds in and you've got a song playing and you want to share it with your pals because you're enjoying it so much? You hand them one earbud and it's very, the hygiene. What if you could slam your earbuds into this little guy here? They get charged up in the meantime from the larger battery in this unit, and then you slap these together, and now everybody, you have a party now, you see? That's how they got the name party mode. There's a couple of buttons on here. It has like a rubberized, fairly durable kind of material on most of it, and then a fabric covering where the speaker grills are. There are LED lights. Those will blink rapidly for Bluetooth pairing. It pairs up like any Bluetooth audio device. You also have a Type-C connector in order to recharge it. Okay, so this is a Kickstarter right now. I feel it's important to say they have raised $160,000 US. That's almost 1,200 backers. As with any Kickstarter item, you would approach as such. They're trying to fund the thing. That's how these Kickstarters work. All in one, light and portable, triple sound quality, expanded sharing, 6 hours of battery playtime, superior comfort, money saving, auto switch. So apparently this thing understands which mode it's in based on what position it's in. So if you open it up into this mode, then it knows, and if you pull the earbuds out, it knows, so you don't need to be clicking switches. Jack says there's a deal as well. Is that true? Mm-hmm. You've got to click the link in the description to find out.
It's a $10 rebate.
Well, then they don't have to click the link in the description to find out if you tell them what the discount is. To get the discount, you have to click that link. Okay, well, anyways. Also in the package, we have interchangeable ear tips, so you can get the ultimate fit. You've also got a USB-C to A cable in order to charge this thing up, and a little bit of paperwork. It is important to note this is an early unit. I'm just gonna put that disclaimer out there right now. The final one that you receive may be different from this once they actually come to retail. All right, so lights are flashing. Does that mean I can pair it up? Duolink popped up, okay, cool, we're pairing.
Connected.
We're connected. I feel like we should start on this mode right here. I'll pull up a few of the old pals, the old favorites. Shout out IMAX on the beat. One thing I noticed, you want to make sure that these are clicked in. If these are like a little bit out, then it doesn't register that you want to use the speaker. It thinks you want to use the earbud. Let's go ahead and separate them and show you what I mean about the stereo aspect. So, right, left. It's a single microphone that you're listening through, but yeah, it's stereo separation. So that could serve two purposes, right? It could be that you're just by yourself and you want to have a stereo split, or you just want to have a sort of more immersion, sound coming from both sides, like it would be if you had a television set up, or proper speakers or headphones. Or you're in an environment where you just want to split the sound up because you're trying to fill a bigger space and just separate it a little bit. In which case you could just have, one on that end, one on that end. You see what I'm saying? I don't know what the range is between them. Do you? 22 feet. So these can be up to 22 feet. Yeah, 22 feet. Yeah, 22 feet. Now, obviously the next question, you pop out the earbuds. You want to take it personal. So I believe I just click it like that, take it out, put it in. These absolutely work. Look, the whole package for all this stuff, this is a story of versatility and doing a number of different things. Having a Bluetooth speaker and headphones in one. I can imagine people having this for sort of the novelty and certain circumstances, and then, you know, maybe reaching for a different set of headphones for a more discerning listening session. Actually, you can see here, I'm controlling the volume, swiping down, swiping up for volume, tap to pause, tap to play, and on the other side, up and down to change tracks. Let's try it. Yes, the sensitivity on the touch controls is improved, so I hope they continue to work on it through the Kickstarter process and up until the final product that they would ship to you if you end up supporting them. So yes, everything works. It's truly a versatile product in that sense, but it is a Kickstarter. Just keep that in mind. You're supporting you're getting in at the early stage of a product, but you have to admit it's kind of a cool concept to put everything together in one, a single Bluetooth speaker with the bass and all the rest of it, stereo Bluetooth speakers as an option, and then the earbuds in a pinch when you have to take it to private listening. This is a nice little smartphone companion, and to be honest, there's really nothing else like it, and certainly not anything else like it at $100 with whatever Jack's discount happens to be.